Morning students, today we are going to read chapter number 11, The Speckled Band. The little hall led into Dr. Rallo's bedroom. The little hall means ventilator that took them into Dr. Rallo's bedroom. There was a large iron safe means almirah, in the room, and there was a large iron almirah in the bedroom. A saucer of milk, saucer means a small round plate, that was stood means kept on the safe. Is there a cat here? Is there a cat here? Asked Holmes. Holmes asked, Is there any cat? No, said Miss Stoner, and Miss Stoner replied, No. There is only a cheetah. A saucer of milk would not be enough for a cheetah. Holmes said that a saucer of milk that it would be not enough for cheetah. Holmes looked quite grim means serious, and Holmes was looking very serious. He spoke to Miss Stoner and he told to Miss Stoner, You must follow my instruction, Miss order carefully. And Holmes told Holmes told Miss Stoner that you have to follow my orders, my instructions carefully. Yeah, your life may depend on it because your life is depend on it. Watson and I will be in your room. Watson and the Holmes, they would be in Miss Stoner's room. We will investigate Miss to search in. They will investigate the noise that disturbed Miss Stoner. We will leave now. They will leave now. And come back later after some time at night when Dr. Rallod had gone to bed. When Dr. Rallod, he would go to his bed. You must signal. Signal means बच्चे a signal that send message, a particular message. You must signal to us with a lamp from your bedroom window, and you have to give a signal to us from your bedroom window with a lamp. Holmes and I waited in the garden. Holmes and I means Watson, they were waiting in the garden. There is danger, Watson, he said, and Holmes said to Watson that there is danger. I knew it as soon as I saw the ventilator. He said, I knew when I saw the ventilator. There is something peculiar. Peculiar means strange. He said there is something strange about the bed as well. About the bed also. Have you ever seen a bed fixed to floor, Holmes? I cried. I think I began to see what you are hitting at. And then he said have you ever seen a bed that was fixed with the floor? Holmes, I cried. Holmes said, and Watson cried. Watson said that yes, I think I began to see. He said, yes, I think I am understanding. What do you want to say? Hitting means what do you want to say? Maybe I am getting understanding. By this time it had become dark, and that time it became dark. We had been waiting for over an hour, and they both were waiting over an hour. Then we saw a flickering. Flickering means a light of lamp to keep going on and off. Okay, a light of lamp to keep going on or off at the window. And then they saw there was a flickering. Okay, that lamp light at the window. We slipped. We moved. We moved through the trees towards the house, and through the trees they moved towards the house. We saw the baboon, African monkey, but not the cheetah. But there was no cheetah, mercifully, luckily. We removed our shoes. They removed their shoes and slimly moved into the bedroom. Whatever you do, Watson, don't go to sleep, said Holmes. And Holmes told Watson, What were you doing? Don't go to sleep. Your life may depend on it, and your life is depend on this. Keep your revolver ready. Revolver means gun. Keep your gun ready. You sit in the chair, and I will be on the bench. He said that Holmes said that Watson he would sit on the chair and Holmes he would sit on the bed. I took out my revolver. Watson took out his revolver, and Holmes placed a long thin stick in the bed. And Holmes placed means kept. He kept a long thin stick in the bed. He also kept a box of matches handy. Handy means easily within reach. And then he kept a box of matches on bed, and that was he can easily take it. We waited in the darkness, for we knew not what to accept. They were waiting in the darkness because they both don't knew what will be there. Accept means something will be happen. What would be happen? I shall never forget that dreadful means fearful night. And Watson said that I can't forget this fearful night. As we sat in the dark, we heard the screech. Screech means a loud, high sound of an owl. And when they both were sitting in a dark room, they heard a loud, high sound of an owl and the kite like whine of the cheetah. And the kite like whine means like a cat long. Whine means long, high, unpleasant sound. Okay, like a cheetah of the like a cat of the cheetah. How long the night seemed, and that night was looking very long. Then a gleam means dim light. Gleam of a light shone through the ventilator. Then a dim light shone through the ventilator. It vanished almost at once, and suddenly vanished means disappear, and suddenly disappeared. Someone had lit a lamp in the next room, and they thought that somebody has lit the lamp in the next room. There was a sudden gentle sound of movement, and then nothing. Then suddenly they heard some types of sound of movement, but after that there was nothing.